We are pleased to show you the 2018 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, trip computer, day-night rear-view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.